Hey guys, this is Terrence from Radical Marketing. Today we got something exciting to share with you, and that is how we shave our cost per lead dramatically by using a very little known placement on Facebook and Instagram. So today I've got Ann Yong here, who will also be sharing how we set things up and the results we've been getting. So hopefully this will make you excited about running these types of ads. So let's jump into it. So, Anne, for starters, can you tell us roughly how much have we been saving by using this new type of placement on Facebook and Instagram?
Okay, so basically, we've been running ads for this particular client for a long time. And then during one of the month, the ad cost has gone up really ridiculously. So we got really like freak out and stuff. And so we try on this new placement, which is called Reel, and we managed to cut down the cost by 50%.
Okay, so this is Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels, right?
Instagram,
So Reels, we can run ads on Facebook and Instagram, right? And
Yep.
so let's show them some of the results that we got, and then we're gonna dive into how to set things up and some tips as well.
Right, cool. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so as you can see here, the cost in July when we run ad for this client, the cost has been going up really high, 199, and this one is 51. So yeah, over to you.
Okay, so that was basically running on all platforms, right? This is a general all placement, all platforms kind of ad on Facebook / Instagram, and this was the cost we were getting. So let's call it, let's say $70 on average, right? So yeah, if you want to show them what we managed to achieve in the past month with Reels, that'll be awesome.
Sure. Last month. So, okay, here you go.
All right, so we have been getting leads for $33. So that's, roughly about 60% discount on what we were getting. So that's really exciting for us. And, it's not a fluke because you can see there's 481 conversions and we had over 1 million impressions on this ad. So yeah, that is the exciting part about this. And if you want to just quickly show them how how to just set up Reels.
Okay, sure. So it's pretty easy. Basically, you just on the placement side, you just gotta make sure you untick all the others and only make sure this section is ticked.
Right.
So
okay.
Yep.
So unclick all the other stuff, all the newsfeed stuff, all the right-hand side ads and in-stream, all the other stuff, and basically just run ads on Reels, right?
Yes.
Because I think this is also we get lower CPMs as well, maybe.
Yep.
Right, and then I guess the other thing is we also have a very specific creative just for Reels, right? If you want to show them how that looks like, just to give people an idea.
Right, sure.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching our video. Just a quick interruption to remind you, if you are watching this on YouTube, to like and subscribe and check out all our other videos on the channel. And if you're checking out this video on our blog post, make sure you check out all the other blog posts on our website. So thank you so much, and back to the rest of the video.
All right. So this is how Reels going to look like on Instagram and Facebook and Messenger.
All right, so that's on the phone, obviously. Then you can see this on the phone. So it's very different to if you see it on Facebook, right? I mean, on a desktop. So yeah, takes up the full screen, so it's very captivating, and yeah, gets good results. All right, fantastic. So we have that, and now I just want to ask you, Anne, is there any tips that you can maybe share with people when they want to run Reels?
Oh yes, definitely. So one of the main thing that we did was we took our best performing ads on TikTok and we changed nothing, and we just bring it to Facebook, and then we run ads on it.
Okay, so just to be clear, this was the exact same ad that we were running on TikTok. We basically extracted that video file and we put it onto Facebook and Instagram, and it worked wonders.
Yes, exactly.
Right, and this video is roughly what, 1 minute?
Yep, about 1 minute.
Yeah, so usually the reels will be about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Is that the best kind of
Yes, that's the best
optimized
time.
length? Okay, right, and it's video, right? Not images.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
video, of course.
Yeah. All right, so that's cool. And then what about, you mentioned about the second tip that you can share is about targeting. So would you like to talk a little bit more about that?
So so for targeting, as you can see, one of the main thing, for Reels, what we did here is only run it with proven working audience. Like we don't test new audience with Reels. We have a set of audience that we know is working pretty well. So we run on it, and then it works like wonder.
Okay, so what you're saying is that we basically, because we've been running this ad account for a little while for the client, and we use data from past campaigns to see what audiences works, and then we just basically use those same audiences for Reels, and that's how we basically target the people, right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay, fantastic. And then you have the tip as well for people.
Okay, so the third tip is to run it with a smaller budget. Normally when we run the normal campaign, we will normally go with a higher budget, and then for Reels, run it with a smaller budget, because when we first started out, we don't know whether it's working or not. We're just testing it. So we run it about 200, 300, and it works like wonders. So we have tested with a little bit higher. Of course, the cost been higher a bit. So I think the best will be about 300 to 400.
So, all right. So when you talk about 300, 400, I think it's better because everybody comes from from a different country. 300 to 400 may not make sense to them. So I'll say roughly you target per ad set, roughly about 10 conversions a day. That would be your budget, right? Right.
Yeah,
just so to be clear on that, and that's per ad set, right?
Yes, that's right.
And then you might have multiple ad sets. So you could have 5 potential different ad sets, 5 or 6 different assets, and each one you will basically set a budget to have roughly 10 conversions a day.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, and so far that's been working pretty well. As you can see, we have shaved ad costs by 60%. And yeah, do you have anything else to add to that, Anne?
I think try it out. You will know. You will love it.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, give it a try, guys. Just run your ads, basically make sure it's about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Run it on just the stories and Reels placement on Facebook and Instagram and see what you get. Hopefully you too will get 60, 70% cost savings per lead.